Sanibona bafethu, so namhlanje sokhuluma udaba likaMona Pulesaling again. Ade saqala ukukhuluma udaba likaMona Pulesaling since last year. We've been speaking about Mona Pulesaling. Yebo, inkinga yakhe noOrlando Pirates. The recent reports akhuluma uMona Pulesaling. Mona Pulesaling manikhumbula kahle bafethu, ubizwe iBafana Bafana, uthole iBafana Bafana call up ebizwa uMkhelele. Yebo, kwenzeka ke uMkhelele wehliswa kuleyo position because kumele prepare for iBafana Bafana iyodlala ama-World Cup qualifiers, iyodlala against iLesotho, sidlala le eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium. So uMkhelele ngeyazi akwazi ukuyikhoja iBafana Bafana nje uyodlala ngesonto idlala against iEgypt. Isquad esilandiwe sokhojwa ubani, sokhojwa uMolifenseki. Menikhumbula kahle uMolifenseki usathanda kuchithwa iMarumo Gallants bekanye beno-10 Malisela. Yebo, Molifenseki will be in charge of the game. iBafana Bafana ezobe idlala. Yebo, so kahle la angizili ukuzokhuluma about le game iBafana Bafana no let's ngizokhuluma about uMona Pulesaling. Yebo, menikhumbula kahle le chain it consists of players abadlala la ku Betway Premiership. I once explained the chain. Yebo, consists of players who plays in Betway Premiership. Yebo, these players abadlala no abadlala lezansi. Yebo, abadlala lezansi ku NFD or abadlala ku DDC. Yebo, but it's up to the coaches. Yebo, it's up to SAFA ukuthi bapha abadlala abakhethayo ababona bengcono ukuthi babadlalise lapha. Yebo, so iSAFA ihambile yayokhuluma nalama club lawa amathathu amakhulu. Bakhuluma neOrlando Pirates, bakhuluma neKaizer Chiefs, bakhuluma neMamelodi Sundowns namanye ke ama club amancane, but they spoke kakhulu nalama club amathathu ukuthi bakhona yina abadlali ababangadlalisi kakhulu. Yebo, players who don't usually get game time. Yebo, babanikeze le squad sechain. Yebo, bahambe nesquad bahamba bayodlala. Yebo, njengoba nje uJory February was called up for iBafana Bafana squad sechain. I don't think uJory February uzohamba nesquad because uJory February maningi amagame asewadlalile lately. Nimbonile uDennis Onyango uthole red card. We don't know what is going on with Williams. Yebo, asazi kwenzakalani kuWilliams, but ngizokhuluma lana about uMona Pulesaling. Njoba kuthiwa iSAFA ikhulumile nalama club la ukuthi badedela abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Yebo, abadlali abanjengobonga niSiyembe Kaizer Chiefs bayisiwe lapha. Maningi nje abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Yebo, I think azela Tshobeni naye. Yebo, uTshobeni wePirates I think nawo kulesa squad lisa. Yebo, noSiphamandla Gumede if I'm not mistaken, ugoalkeeper Orlando Pirates ukusona lesa squad lisa. Yebo, so uMona Pulesaling ngizwe i-report engiyibone namhlanje. Yebo, kule report le ngizoqala ngizonifundela nje i-passage nyana. Yebo, kuthiwa lana according to Sportswise sources, SAFA had initially been reluctant to participate in the CHAN tournament, citing a packed domestic calendar letter to CAF. Yebo, they also argued that CHAN being competition for locally based players was subject to club releases which could be denied. Sportswise reported that CAF President Patrice Motsepe reacted strongly to SAFA's stance, threatening ban on the association, which could be particularly embarrassing given his South African origin, instructed SAFA and PSL to find common ground, emphasizing on the importance of the CHAN tournament to him. Yabo, following discussions, Sundowns, Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs held meetings with SAFA coaching staff where it was agreed that the clubs would release a limited number of players not regularly used by their coaches. Not regularly used by their coaches. This agreement explains Pirates' willingness to release Mona Pulesaling. Sportswise has been informed that Mona Pulesaling will not play for Pirates again this season, having signed a pre-contract with another club. Yebo, ngizobuyela nje kule passage esekugcineni, but ngifuna ukuyi-unpack kahle kule enye ngaphezulu. Yebo, uma ungayifundanga le mpahla le. Lana bebekhuluma ngani? Bebekhuluma ukuthi iSAFA ingase ithole i-ban from iCAF because they didn't announce ukuba khona kwaMolefitseki abaka-announce ukuthi uMolefitseki uyena uzocoacha lesquad seBafana Bafana. Lokhu bakwenze behind the scenes, they didn't inform iCAF yabo, but ke bakwazile ukukhuluma nayo kwiCAF basho the reasons why yabo. I stated that ivideo saqala ukuthi uMkhelele uzoba umele alungiselele iWorld Cup qualifiers, so they appointed another man ongakwazi ukuyicoach iBafana Bafana. They appointed another guy uMolefitseki. uMolefitseki sewayicoach vele iBafana Bafana before yabo, sekwacoach futhi nama youth ranks eBafana Bafana, so he knows iBafana Bafana yabo. So lana ngifuna uexplain kahle leli passage engilizogcineni kuthiwa this agreement explains willingness to release Monnapule Saling yabo. This agreement explains Pirates' willingness to release Monnapule Saling. Sportswise has been informed that Saling will not play for Pirates again this season, having signed a pre-contract with another club. Bathi lana uMonnapule Saling ngeke asayidlaleli Orlando Pirates this season. I think it makes sense, to be honest. Yabo, Orlando Pirates ngeke ivele imdedele nje uMonnapule Saling ayodlala iChan. I understand beke uBafana Bafana bakamdedele uMonnapule Saling kumchita ayodlala for iBafana Bafana, like when they are playing ama World Cup qualifiers or when they are playing AFCON. I understand, but iChan Monnapule Saling is not umdlali nje. Monnapule Saling is a big player yabo. Saling is a big player, so ukumdedela awudlala iChan, it makes sense now because bayasho la uthi yabo ibathi la Sportswise have been informed that Saling will not play for Pirates again this season, having signed a pre-contract. Bathi la uSaling usayine nenye club khona la eSouth Africa i-pre-contract. I don't want to lie yabo, I really trust these news outlets. This news outlet ibhalo bani uRobin Duke Madlala yabo, uyibhalile. Singeke sazi ukuthi yiphi leyo club because I heard ukuthi Orlando Pirates iactivateile lo 2 years lo yabo. Ngeke kuthiwa iactivateile or izo-activate. That's what I've heard. I don't want to lie yabo. So manje izinto mesizini kanje, mhlambe lo kuyakutshela ukuthi Orlando Pirates isilinde nje kuphela isizini Monnapule Saling imdayise kuleyo team yabo. Singesazi ngempela kuthiwa i-team engenzeka aye kuyona ngempela iKaizer Chiefs. Kuthiwa i-team efuna uMonnapule Saling ngempela iKaizer Chiefs. Iyona team mina ngizwile abantu bekhuluma kwathiwa Kaizer Chiefs is the team. Yes, I see Mamelodi Sundowns, but I don't think Sundowns ngamdinga ngaleyo ndlela uMonnapule Saling yabo. I don't see Sundowns imdinga uMonnapule Saling. Sundowns have plenty of players in their ranks, and when I look at Kaizer Chiefs yabo, but I don't know, I don't want to lie, angazi angifuqa amanga ngidumele, but ke kumele si accept ibhola leli. Ibhola ibusiness yabo, ibusiness. That's how izinto ezisebenza ngakhona ebholeni. But ke ngezwe ngawo lapho should Monnapule Saling join Kaizer Chiefs, asas ngempela. But ke it looks like Monnapule Saling will be joining Kaizer Chiefs by the recent reports yabo engwatholayo, because kuthiwa usayine pre-contract with an undisclosed club in Betway Premiership. Hayi, kuningi ngempela isizini ayenza iphele sibone ukwenzakalana yabo. Ayenza isizini iphele sibone ngempela ukwenzakalana. Ngezwe ngani bafethu, ungakhohlwa usubscribe uVane Sport lo bafethu. Ziningi indaba engisazona unpackela zona, lezi ngisathanda ukuyithola nje namanje. Ngidecide ukuthi nathi ngishaye ivideo nginixoxela yabo, because niyadeserve ukwazi izinto ezenzakalayo. But ke I'm sure bakhona asebeyizwile le indaba lezi, and musuyizwile ungangitshela nawe kabanzi lapho kuma comments, ungitshele wena ukuthi uyizwa kanjani le ndaba le. But mina ngokwami ngizwe kanje, wangitshela uzona uyizwa kanjani, ungicorrect futhi mengiba wrong, ungitshele kuma comments.